When we applying the CSS styles to our web page, we know that we have three methods: inline, internal and external. So we should always keep uh, one thing in mind, that let's see that cascading order. Okay, we know that style can be specified in an external CSS file inside the head section of HTML page by using internal CSS, and then inside an HTML elements, right? So the question is, what style will be used when there is more than one style is specified for an HTML element? Okay, means suppose there is a one paragraph in our web page, and um, we have used inline method to set the color of a paragraph red. Then we have used external method on the same web page in order to put the color of a paragraph to be blue. Then how this contradiction the browser will resolve, right? So multiple style will be cascaded into one by using the following priority order. So simply, how browser will resolve? Browser will give inline style sheet a highest priority in order to apply the CSS style rules into the HTML web page, and internal style sheet will having the next level of priority, whereas the external style sheet having the lowest priority. Okay, so let's see or let's understand it more clearly with the help of an example. So this is the web page that in the last uh, um, part of this video series we have developed, and here let's see, I'll save it and I will refresh it. So this is currently, this is the web page we are having now. Suppose what I want that within the internal method I'm using the paragraph text color should be red, and within the external method I want the same paragraph text color should be blue. Now external method says that paragraph text color should be blue for the same HTML file because that external sheet is attached, linked here with this web page, whereas the internal method says the paragraph should be red. Now the question is, how web browser resolve this situation, and the answer is by using cascading order, right? So since internal style sheet is having higher priority than the external style sheet, so web browser will prefer the paragraph color should be red in place of the paragraph color should blue, which is specified in the external style sheet. Hope it is clear. So suppose let's take another example where as we have seen in cascading order, inline style sheet is having the highest priority. So suppose we know that here what I have done, the paragraph color is blue, and in internal method I have used paragraph color should be red. So basically the when the browser compare external method and internal method, browser give priority to the internal method. But if I use inline method within the paragraph element itself by using style attribute, and I set its color to be green and then save it. Now we have 3 CSS style applied to the paragraph P using inline as well as using internal as well as using external. But we know that the cascading order says inline style sheet having always the highest priority. Browser will give highest priority to the inline style sheet, then internal, then external. So here the text color of a paragraph now should become green because inline CSS style having highest priority. Correct. So let's see whether it become green or not. Right now it is red. Now if I'll refresh, you can see it become green. Okay. All right. So this is what we must have to remember when we are using multiple method of applying this style sheet, and sometimes accidentally we may use the same tag in order to apply the CSS style within the different methods multiple times, multiple places. Then how the web browser resolve the situation, right? By using that cascading order. Okay, so this is all for this lecture, and hope you understand that cascading order properly. So friends, after watching this video lecture, if you feel that it was really helpful in order to learn the concepts, then please like and subscribe the video, and feel free to comment or query if any. Thank you guys.